what I've decided to do is use this Skinny Leaf Rose. It's like a rose oil. I got this to do a review on a while ago, but the first one that was sent to me was broken, so the review got delayed. So I'm opening it now, okay, and we're gonna use that as our oil diffuser. All right, so I'm gonna add some water here to the device, not too much. We're just testing it out. So it has a little squeezy up here, so we're going to use that and put a couple of drops, maybe like 6 to 8 drops, right? This is real oil. This isn't like the oil diffuser kind of oil. Okay. So yeah. Okay, inside. This is done by USB. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to attach the top piece back on, and I'm gonna use my power pack box and use that as a charging source, right? There we go. So immediate, almost immediate. So it just needed a little bit more water to get it going there. Okay, so there we go.